Yeah, so last time I was here, I started shift locking, which helped a hell of a lot. For those who don't know what shift locking is, it's basically where when you change into second gear, for example, whatever gear you're in, there's a bunch of dogs in the park. I'm gonna have to go on the road and practice. There's too many dogs. So yeah, when you're in second gear, you just keep your foot underneath and it makes you like hold it, so it feels like you're not falling off the back. So yeah, this park is really nice to practice wheelies in, man, but when there's dogs in there, obviously you can understand most people are not gonna like it. Come on! We're still learning, bruv! That felt lovely, man. I'm finally using a brake, because usually when I used to use the brake, anytime I'd use the brake, I'd press it too hard and it would just come straight back down. So now I'm finally using it to a point where it's like, okay, I can keep it up and ride the brake a little bit and help me feel like comfortable at that balance point, which is really nice. But you know, I've still got a hell of a long way to go. I need to be coasting and stuff. Still got a hell of a long way to go. That's police, yeah, that's Fred there, we've gone. Wrong turning, motherfuckers. Wrong turning, fuckers, that's why I love my ends, bro. Look. Just about to go back to that spot as well. Lucky I see them. This match because I need proof that I beat it. Hold this.
On demand.
What's this got? 12 now?
I want to play though.
Let's finish this one and you play.
How many do you have left?
Not long, depending on how much I beat you by. 12-9.
No, that.
12-9. Watch this. 12-9, 13-9. 14-9. This is for Unitas. Remember last time what you done to us, bro?
Yeah. Hasni, stay where I can see you, please.
15-9.
Stay where I can see you. Yeah, I can see you here.
16-9.
Daddy, Hasni said, can you see me here? Well, no then.
16-9. 16-10. I remember we got to finish it with a 2-point.
I'm so hot, man.
I'll be the judge.
16-9.
Is it because I've been moving? Because there's no way it's hot today. It's bare cold.
16-10.
I'm the judge.
That's disgusting. That was disgusting.
Yanni, come on, bring Yanni, you're cheating though. Give him a chance to get the ball. At least give him a chance to actually get the ball. Yay!
17 now.
Have you been counting the scores?
Yeah.
You got 79.
That was rubbish, yeah. Just first to 21. 17, 10.
17, 10?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not playing no more.
Right?
Because it's taking long. I just wanted to play a little bit before I go.
17, 12.
I'm going.
No, wait, you gotta finish the camera.
Why do I have to fail?
Because you picked it up and you dropped it.
Don't worry, I can put it back exactly what the fuck it was. Lol. This guy's man. No, man. Andy don't want me to play, I can tell.
I do want you to play.
No, he doesn't.
I just want to finish this game because he's beating me last time. 17, 13. Wow.
Okay, ciao, ciao, bye-bye.
Oh, say you probably mashed up the camera.
We're coming soon, bye. See you.
Come.
Bye. No, ya no.
Oh, the bike. Over. 2017. 2018. No, bro, I don't want to have no battle, bro. I just want to win, bro. Game over, finally, bro.
Oh my
days.
days.
You know what I'm saying, Yanni? Who's the champion? Yes! Done.